Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from One Stop Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. Hiding the locked chats helps you keep your private conversation secure and out of sight. So, let's get started on how to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In the chat section, tap on the locked chats option. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now, tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can see the hide locked chats option. Tap on the toggle switch right next to it and turn it on. When the switch turns on screen, your locked chats are now hidden. And this is how you can hide locked chats in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.